Alright guys, show you some of the stuff you're gonna see at the expo. Got the top branch on here. I don't know if you watch this guy, man, but I could watch him all day. He's an arborist, and this guy is fire with the tree work. So some of the stuff you're gonna see at the Equip Expo, man, is like Cenex. This right here is a generator from Cenex, guys, that I use. I keep it in the truck with me. I could charge my phone up. My phone ain't charged up right now, but basically I can keep my phone charged with it. As you can see, right now it's got it plugged up right here to the power that goes to the light up here that I got plugged up. So, but this thing is really nice, and it comes from Cenex. Cenex tools, guys. Switched out everything basically in my garage. I've been running the Cenex tools. So you can see, got the Cenex grinder, the 1/2 inch impact, 3/4 inch impact. Got another drill behind this Kawasaki thing, and show you some more of the Cenex stuff, dude. So, these right here are the Cenex hedgers. Let me show you what they're looking like. Follow me on Instagram. I just did a video with them. Move these batteries out the way. Guys, excuse my garage. Got things kind of loaded up in here. But these right here are the Cenex X6 hedgers. 26-inch blade on them. You see how long that blade is, guys? It's really nice. So I've been using these battery tools from Cenex, man, and these are some great tools. So these are like some of the things you'll see at the expo. This is Cenex is new to the market. They hadn't been out that long, but I've been running them, like I say, and these guys have some excellent tools. So give me 1 second. I can switch this around right here by hitting the, let's see, triggers right here. If I need to, just hit it around right there. Switch it around to be able to set it in there. So I've been running this battery blower from Cenex also. This thing is great. I haven't used my Red Max that much this year because I've been using the Cenex battery blower, and this has plenty of power. So also from Cenex, man, what they came out with, they got a bunch of chainsaws from them. This is the X6 battery chainsaw right here, guys. This thing is nice. So I'll show you something. This chainsaw, it comes with this Oregon bar on it. So this Oregon bar, let me cut this light down a little bit. Okay, so this Oregon bar right here, if you can see, has this nano chain on it, nanotechnology. This thing cuts amazing. And this was introduced last year. This bar and this chain was introduced by Oregon last year, and Oregon has a package deal that they work with Cenex. So, I mean, guys, you see stuff like this way ahead of time when you go to the expo. I'll show you another tool from Cenex. Got another little hand chainsaw right here from Cenex. This thing's a beast, guys. So, I'm talking about, I've used this already, and I went to work with it, and dude, I was able to cut so much out of it. It's a great tool. This right here, another little hand saw right here from Cenex. Stuff you'll see at the expo. So I got it locked right now. Take it off lock. No, actually, got to cut the power on right here. Got the power on. So, little baby hand saw. You could use these for crepe myrtles and things like this, guys. So, another tool from Cenex I've been using this year. Battery push mower. I don't have a lot of yards I push mow, but I've been push mowing with this, and I have a video coming up with it soon. Just hadn't got it up to you guys. I'll let you see it. And then this right here also from Cenex. This stretches out to 14 feet, guys. It's a pole saw. And when I say this thing is a monster, I'm gonna get some videos this fall of me doing some tree cutting. Just keep up with me, stay watching, and you're gonna see. But this is some of the stuff you will see at the expo. New tools and stuff like this is getting released that doesn't get released to next year. So, guys, get ready for the Equip Expo. And if you're on Instagram, get on Instagram, because pretty soon what I got coming up is I'm going to give up one of these I'm gonna give away one of these hedge trimmers right here. 26-inch hedge trimmers, battery with it. You can win it on Instagram, guys. Get with your boy, follow me on Instagram, and get your free pair of hedgers. So guys, this will be my 3rd year attending. Started attending back in 2022, made it 2023. This year I will be getting you more footage. And if you've never been to Equip Expo, check out my videos on the channel. I got, I think, 4 videos. Both of them are the indoors of the expo and the outdoors of the expo. So, but this is why you want to go to the expo, man. If you're in this industry, you get a chance to see everything, every aspect, every in and out, nicks and crannies, everything of the industry. It's almost like having a great job and you're making maybe, well, we know a great job in $1,000 a week, no more, but say if you had a job making $2 grand a week, $2,500 a week. You think you're making decent money, you're making $2,000, $2,500 a week coming home with your taxes out. And then you actually get to step inside the bank and go inside the vault at the bank, and you see what $1 million cash looks like in your face. That's kind of like how it is with the Equip Expo. You're going to get to see a lot of stuff and a lot of things in the industry that's going to blow your mind, give you a whole different perspective, a whole different outlook on how you want to move forward with your lawn care and educating yourself. So, man, just being in the industry so far these 5 years, being able to hit that Equip Expo the last 2 years, it's got my mind frame on a whole nother level. It's got me thinking I could do stuff that I never believed I could do ever in this lawn care industry. And you see a lot of it on the YouTube videos, and you watch a lot of those guys, and a lot of them started out the same way as you starting out, same way as I starting out, and they just worked their way up. But once you get to this Equip Expo, man, it ain't even about seeing no content creators or nothing like that. It's about seeing the industry. Like I said, every nicks and cranny, every in and out, you get to see it all. That's if you go there to pay attention to it. Now, some people they'll go just to look at content creators and stuff. But I really go because I am just infatuated with heavy equipment. I just love equipment. And it is a great event. You have to go. So, if you get a chance to make it to Louisville, Kentucky, guys, get down there, check out the Equip Expo, get to see all the new equipment that's coming out. You get to try everything. Everything that's on the indoor facility, they have on the outdoors where you can go out there and try it, man, and you can experience it. And you can see if you actually like the equipment or not, guys. So, if you get a chance, go to Equip Expo. You've been in this industry, everybody needs the experience. Everybody needs it. So, I'm about to get out of here, man. If you guys are at the Equip Expo, bump into me, I will holler at you. You feel me? Holler at your boy. Get down to Louisville, Kentucky if you can make it, man. And holler at you in the next video. And also, forgot to mention, check out the new podcast that I got, Mo Trapping Podcast, featuring me and my other host, John Crawley, from Nashville, Tennessee, man. I'll put some on the community thing where I'll show you the page, the Mo Trapping Podcast, so you guys subscribe.